ಏನೇ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು, ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
In a key political development in Karnataka, AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge has clarified that there will be no change of Chief Minister for now, while indicating that the leadership issue will be addressed soon within the party. Speaking amid growing speculation and internal discussions within the Congress party, Kharge's remarks come at a time when there is increasing pressure from supporters of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, who are reportedly pushing for a possible leadership change. The statement also gains significance ahead of the upcoming election results scheduled for May 4th, which have further intensified talks of a potential cabinet reshuffle and political realignment within the state leadership. Responding to comments by Home Minister G. Parameshwara backing him for CM, Kharge reiterated that the final decision on leadership rests with senior Congress leader Sonia Gandhi. The leadership debate has been ongoing since the Congress government crossed its halfway mark in Karnataka, with renewed attention on an alleged power sharing understanding reportedly made in 2023. With internal discussions continuing, the party is expected to take a final decision on the matter in the upcoming days, as political attention remains firmly focused on post-election developments in the state. Will the CM position remain unchanged in Karnataka? If yes or no, let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.